Hey you guys, my name is Darla Rodriguez and welcome to my channel. I feel like I haven't been here in a while, so I'm so glad you're here. If you haven't subscribed, please do that because we are going to talk about Smashbox today and you don't want to miss it. So when I watched Tati's video on Smashbox's new full coverage foundation, I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty impressed. So then it encouraged me and motivated me to get a hold of it and try it out for myself. Because usually when she tries certain products, especially foundations, we tend to like the same thing. And when this first launched, it's full coverage, it's matte, I thought, really not my kind of foundation. Not that it's not good, it's just not my kind of foundation. And after watching hers, I was like, maybe I should give it a go. So I thought, let's do a video and I'll do a full face of Smashbox. So either I have purchased this product or it's been given to me, but I have a lot of Smashbox. I'm like shocked. So I have this cute little bag. Look at how cute. It has little minis in it. I have this cute little bag, which I actually got today with the foundation. And it has their original primer, their foundation, and it has two pockets and then like zips up. Really, really adorable bag. And then I have this one, and this one's holding mascara, shadow, and the mascara primer. And then I have another bag, which if you remember, I did a video last Christmas with my Christmas giveaways, and they had this adorable Smashbox Christmas collection that I just loved. And it had these lipsticks, and then it also had this highlighter and contour palette, which I absolutely love. It's actually on my eyes right now. I used this one, and this one for my eyes. So that is great. And then I also had this one. So these two, I forgot I had them because I keep them in my makeup kit for when I do jobs, makeup jobs. And I just don't use them that much because, you want good products that are going to blend and just be great for other people. So I forgot I had them, so I did. The only thing I didn't have, I actually don't have two products that I'm gonna use today that are not Smashbox, which would be my lip liner and my concealer. Those are the only two things I don't have. My liner, I went ahead and used this black shadow as my liner. So I have my eyes done and just did a very simple look because really, today's all about the foundation. It's not really about the other products, but it's always fun doing a full face of one brand. I always am shocked of how much I have, which is a little scary. I went ahead and did do my eyes. I did use their Photo Finish Lid Primer in Light. That's under my shadow. Their under eye primer, which is amazing. You guys know I'm always concerned about my under eyes, looking for that just perfect 19-year-old skin, which is way far gone. But I did that under my eyes, and then I went ahead and used Primerizer as my primer. So I have moisturizer on. This primerizer, Smashbox is known for their primers. This one they launched, and it's actually a primer and a moisturizer mixed together. Because I already use extensive skincare, I have that on and I place this over. Especially because we're doing a full coverage matte foundation, I thought no harm in doing just a little bit more hydration on my skin to prepare it for this foundation. So let's get into the foundation. So this is the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. It comes in 40 shades, and I'm really excited to try it out. This color is in 2.0. I'm gonna place a little bit on my hand here. I do have the F80 Sigma brush that I'm gonna use for my foundation. Ooh, this is full coverage. Whoa, baby. So I'm a little warm right now. I hope this is the right color. I've never used it. And we did a quick shade match. And we are in the sun. Let's see if it oxidizes a little bit. It does blend out really nicely though. And I'm just using a tiny bit. You know, what's nice is, like, I feel like it's a little light right now, but once it dries down, usually a full coverage it'll tend to get a little darker. And if you're gonna err, always err light, because you can always bronze up and make it darker, but you can't go the other way. Never wanna get a foundation that's too dark, because then you're stuck. I mean, you're having to mix other foundations in it and just really working, where if it's too light, I'm really never too concerned, because I know I got bronzers here. I can definitely deepen it. But I want to see how it dries down, because it's really nicely blending. I like that a lot. And it feels like nothing. That's a good thing. And I don't think it's that matte. They say it's very matte, but I don't think it's that matte. Although I've prepped my skin very well, which I suggest for everybody to do. I don't care if you're oily, you still need to prep your skin, because your foundation is only gonna look as good as your skin underneath. And if you're not prepping it, then your skin is gonna suck from the foundation, especially when it's a full coverage. Yeah, I'm feeling a little white, but we'll fix that. How does it look? White?
A little white.
Yeah, I feel a little white, but that's okay, because we can bronze it up, just like I said. So before I put my concealer on, I do want to share a couple things. One, it feels like forever since I've been on here. I mean, it may not to you, but it does to me. When we first started, we were doing 3 episodes a week, and it just is so much work. If you've ever done anything on YouTube, you totally understand, and if you haven't, I'm telling you, it's a lot of work. So we went down to 1 time a week. We've just been doing random days, and so we were talking, Ness and I, and we are going to designate Wednesday as our post morning. So every Wednesday morning, there will be an episode from yours truly. And, it makes sense. Like when I was little, Friday nights were the Donnie and Marie show. And this when I was really little. I mean, I know that's aging me because they're in Vegas and all right now. But when I was little, I don't know, I remember. Ness makes fun because I remember things when I'm 3. What can I say? I have a good memory. But I would look forward to the show every Friday night. I wanted to be at home in front of the TV. And so, we were thinking, why not do that for YouTube? So as I'm putting my concealer, I'm going to share a little bit. We're going to, this Wednesday, you guys definitely, this will be the first Wednesday morning that we're posting. We are going to Sephora, Sephoria, not Sephora, not an event at Sephora. It's Sephora. If you don't know about it, it's an event that they do, and they talk about just all the new launches, and they have special speakers, and I am really excited to check it out. I've never gone, and I'm super interested. We are going this weekend, and you are coming along with us. And we're gonna post the episode this Wednesday. So if you have anything, if you look it up, or if you already know about it, and you're like, oh my gosh, I wanted to go, I don't, I have to work or whatever, I have another commitment, or if you don't live in the area, let me know if there's anything you want me to check out, because that's why I'm going. I just want to see the new stuff and, maybe learn some things. We're always learning things, right? So comment below if you want me to check anything out specific, and I will do my best to get over there and check it out. And maybe call you out. Oh my gosh, I'll do a shout out. I've always wanted to do that. So we're in a different filming location tonight because it has been blazing hot. So if the sound is a little off, I apologize, but we've got the fan going and we've got windows open. I mean, it's just so hot. So I'm sorry again for that. So here it is. I've talked a little bit. I look really white, but the color aside, it blended really nice and it feels like I'm wearing nothing. And I just used like a tiny bit, which I love to do that. I don't like to use a lot of product. These people that put on layers and layers, I just don't even know how they do it. I really, truly don't. The same thing I used on my eyes, I'm going to use on my face for contour. So I'm gonna use this middle row. Actually, for my eyes, I did these 3 and then the black shadow. But for my face, I'm gonna do this. I might pop a little peach on, but mainly those 3. So let's, because we need to deepen up this face just a tad. I feel a little white. So this is the Sigma F40, and I'm just going to contour a little bit here. I have been trying to keep it higher. Back in the day, I went a little bit lower, but we're trying to lift everything. So I start kind of at the top of the ear and bring it forward and really bring it only to about the outside corner of your eye. And this is the F05. I'm going to go right on top and just kind of add some color here. I'm just going super neutral because we are going to do a bold lip. Yeah, I could go, so the foundation, I'm going to wear it tomorrow because I want to give it like a good test. But I feel like it's so light. Got to deepen her up a little bit. So whenever you're feeling, does that look better? Whenever you're feeling like it's just a little too light, you can just go in and deepen her up. Someone commented, I did use powder the other day, and I will tell you that I haven't used powder in probably 2 years. I just picked up the Bye Bye Powder Foundation from It Cosmetics, and it's actually really nice. It has 7 fermented ingredients that it like morphs with your skin. It's not like your regular powder. So I have been using that, but I don't use powder over foundation. I prep my skin, I prime, and then I will usually set it with a setting spray, although because I'm out of the primer water, which is phenomenal from Smashbox. Love, love, love that stuff. I'm not gonna set it today. I'm gonna leave it like this. So we're gonna put on lipstick and then I'm done. The foundation, I agree it feels like nothing. I'll have to see how it wears. That's my only thing. Right now, and I've said it in the past, a lot of foundations look really, really pretty. There's been just literally a few that I've tried on and immediately not liked them. But I mean, I don't think it looks too matte, and I don't like a matte, so I like that. I don't think it looks too full coverage. I like that. And it's blended. I mean, it looks a little light, but not too bad. I think I've deepened it up a little bit. I mean, I am white. I try to think that I'm all dark, but truth is, I'm not. I am putting on this lip liner. This is a Kylie lip liner. You guys know I love them. I have it. So I have 2 little black. This is the Kylie lip. It is a little deeper red because you guys that have watched me know that I'm a little scared of red. But I have these 2 little, aren't these adorable? I've actually thought about doing an all mini grab and go video because all the brands are coming out with like little mini sizes of so many things. It's so fun. So I'm gonna use this one, which is their Be Legendary. Look how cute. So I'm gonna finish my lipstick and then we'll come back and wrap up. Okay, my lips are all done. I'm getting ready for this holiday season. I don't know if you've been in Michael's or Target or Walmart. Christmas stuff is already out and we haven't even had Halloween yet. Yes, here is my Smashbox look. What do you think? I'm thinking I love Smashbox. Just good products, really good products. I am going to give this foundation, I mean, it's nighttime, so I'm not gonna wear this for very much longer, but I am gonna wear it all day tomorrow. I'm gonna check in on my Instagram stories and just kind of give you little bits and pieces of how it's wearing so we can see that true test. Because, you know, again, it is how it lasts, and this is supposed to last all day. I usually get creases in here and in here. Everywhere else, you know, for the most part. Sometimes in here if it's really dry, usually full coverage matte foundations will like get cracky in there. So we'll see what those areas look like. Those are the typical areas that I have problems with. So thanks for hanging with me. I'm so glad that you took the time. You know, it's always fun. It's always fun chatting with you, even though you don't chat back. I mean, you could comment. I'd appreciate that because I always comment back. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. And if you haven't hit that notification button, make sure you hit that. Give me a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Stay tuned for Wednesday. Sephora. I mean, it's going to be fun. Bye-bye.